Welcome solvers, welcome to Puzzlebox. One day, two horse riders started a funny debate. The first one told that his horse is the slowest. The other said, no, it is his horse which is the slowest one. The first rider offered for a race to find out which horse is the slowest. The second rider agreed and prepared for the race. They started the race, but after few meters they stopped their horses. No one was moving by thinking that he has to be the slowest one. Can you help them to complete the race? Think. The solution is very interesting. You can suggest them to swap their horses. This will solve the problem. Hope you have liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel and be prepared for the next puzzle.